Welcome to English class using situational conversation.
Scene 1. Giving directions to the taxi driver.
Hello, can you take me to 12th Street, please?
Sure, hop in. Do you know the best way to get there?
Yes, take the main road, then turn right.
Okay, got it. How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years.
That's great. Do you like the city?
Yes, I do. It's a nice place.
I agree. It's a friendly city.
Yes, I always feel safe here.
That's good to hear. We're almost at 12th Street.
Great, you can drop me at the corner.
Okay, I'll stop there.
How much will it cost?
It's $15.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks for the ride.
Anytime. Take care.
Scene 2. Weather with the taxi driver.
Hi, can you take me to the mall?
Sure, hop in.
The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm.
Do you think it will rain later?
I don't think so. The sky is clear.
That's good. I don't have an umbrella.
I can understand that. Rain can be tricky.
Yes, it's hard to drive in the rain.
True. It's safer when the weather is nice like this.
Exactly. How long will it take to get to the mall?
About 15 minutes, not too long.
That's fine.
Are you going shopping?
Yes, I need some new clothes.
The mall has great shops.
Yes, I love shopping there.
We're almost there.
Perfect. Thanks for the smooth ride.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Scene 3. Asking about traffic with the taxi driver.
Hi, can you take me to Central Park?
Sure, hop in.
Is there a lot of traffic today?
Yes, it's rush hour now.
Oh no, will it take longer to get there?
Maybe a bit, but I'll try a faster route.
That's great, thank you.
No problem. Are you going for a walk in the park?
Yes, I like to relax there after work.
It's a nice place to unwind.
Yes, it's very peaceful.
We might hit some traffic on the way, but I'll avoid the worst spots.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I drive this route every day.
That must help you know the best shortcuts.
Yes, I've learned them over time.
It's good to have an experienced driver.
Thank you. We'll be at Central Park soon.
That's perfect. I'm looking forward to my walk.
Enjoy your time there.
Scene 4. Discussing the city with the taxi driver.
Hello, can you take me to the train station?
Sure, get in.
How long have you been driving taxis?
I've been driving for 10 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, I've seen a lot of changes in the city.
Really? What kind of changes?
More buildings, new roads, and more people.
The city is growing fast.
Yes, it's becoming very busy.
Do you like the changes?
Some are good, but traffic is worse now.
I can imagine. The roads are always crowded.
Yes, but I've learned to deal with it.
It's good you know all the streets.
Yes, that helps me find quicker routes.
I'm sure it does. How far are we from the station?
We're about 10 minutes away.
Great. Thank you for the conversation.
You're welcome. It's nice to talk while driving.
Scene 5. Talking about a long drive with the taxi driver.
Hello, can you take me to the airport?
Sure, get in. It's a long drive.
Yes, it will take some time.
Do you fly often?
Yes, I travel for work a lot.
That must be interesting.
It is, but it can be tiring too.
I can imagine. Where are you flying to today?
I'm going to New York.
That's a great city.
Yes, it's always busy and exciting.
Do you prefer long drives or flying?
I like flying, but sometimes long drives are relaxing.
Yes, especially when you're not in a hurry.
Exactly. This drive is actually nice and calm.
I'm glad to hear that. We're about halfway to the airport.
Good, I have plenty of time.
That's great. I'll make sure we get there smoothly.
Thank you for the pleasant ride.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
Thanks for watching. If you're new here, our channel is dedicated to helping you learn English through everyday conversations and real-life situations. We believe that practicing English in contexts you encounter daily is the best way to become fluent and confident. From ordering food to making small talk, we cover a wide range of scenarios to help you communicate effectively in English. Subscribe now and join us on this journey to mastering English one conversation at a time.